Welcome back to Spy Garage.
In the realm of premium recreational vehicles, the name Prevost epitomizes the zenith of luxury, durability, and customization. The 2026 Prevost Camper Truck represents a conceptual advancement that integrates this esteemed legacy into a novel design, providing a distinctive combination of robust functionality and opulent comfort. This vehicle is intended for the discerning traveler who desires not merely transportation, but a mobile sanctuary that integrates spaciousness, a contemporary kitchen, and an exceptional degree of comfort. The exterior of the 2026 Prevost Camper Truck exemplifies utilitarian design mastery. Although its base is constructed for durability and robustness, its appearance is elegant and classy. The structure would consist of a singular, cohesive shell constructed from lightweight yet exceptionally durable materials. The design would be aerodynamically tuned to enhance fuel efficiency and minimize wind noise, guaranteeing a tranquil ride. The paint application will have a multi-stage, high-gloss finish that emanates a profound, opulent sheen. Strategically positioned large panoramic windows would illuminate the room with natural light and provide extensive views of the surroundings. The truck's posture would be formidable and assured, including elevated ground clearance and a sophisticated air suspension system that ensures a smooth, stable ride across diverse terrains. The genuine allure of the 2026 Prevost Camper Truck resides in its interior, where the notion of spaciousness is elevated to an unprecedented standard. This vehicle, in contrast to conventional camper trucks, would incorporate revolutionary slide-out portions and a strategic interior design that significantly expands when stationary. This establishes a living space that resembles a little apartment rather than a truck. The primary living space would serve as a haven of comfort. Luxurious, bespoke seating would be oriented towards a cutting-edge entertainment center including a large-screen television and an advanced sound system. The area would be illuminated by natural light from the expansive windows, fostering a welcoming and spacious ambience. The furniture and fixtures will be bespoke, crafted using premium materials, including hand-finished wood veneers, polished metal accents, and soft-touch textiles. The kitchen is the focal point of any home, and the 2026 Prevost Camper Truck's kitchen exemplifies this principle. It would be a contemporary, highly efficient environment tailored for a genuine culinary aficionado. It would include professional-grade stainless steel appliances, comprising a full-size refrigerator, a convection microwave oven, and an induction cooktop. The countertops will consist of solid, easily cleanable materials, and the cabinetry will be expertly built to optimize storage capacity. An expansive sink equipped with a premium faucet would enhance the arrangement, rendering dinner preparation a pleasure. Comfort epitomizes luxury, and this Prevost provides it abundantly. The master suite will serve as a serene sanctuary, featuring a king-sized bed, abundant storage, and a private en-suite bathroom. The bathroom will resemble a spa-like sanctuary, featuring a spacious glass-enclosed shower, a residential-grade toilet, and a bespoke vanity. The vehicle would feature a sophisticated, zoned climate control system that maintains optimal temperatures throughout the residential space. The 2026 Prevost Camper Truck transcends mere transportation. It is an exquisitely designed mobile residence that provides unparalleled luxury, spaciousness, and comfort for discerning adventurers.